demo day! Yay! Okay, everyone, welcome back to my garden. There's the first piece coming off. It's 7:30 in the morning. The guys showed up with the excavator. Tomas just went over the plan with everybody. I am completely overwhelmed, but completely excited. My plan is to stay back here in the garden beds, stay out of their way as much as possible, but still try and get as much footage as possible, especially with them taking off the pergola. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, that is satisfying. I love it. You might hear Monty inside. He is barking his head off. He is freaking out. Who are these people? Railing is gone. Goodbye, useless railing that never made any sense. This is so incredibly exciting. It feels like all the old stuff that had a time limit that was breaking apart and falling apart, and I knew I was gonna have to do something to it. It's just all getting removed like that. What do you think? Excited?
Yeah, I want to see it come down.
I do too. Good job, guys.
Looks better already.
It looks so good. Oh my god, it looks so much better with that. It looks so much better.
I needed to go.
I needed to go. Oh my gosh, the house looks so much better with that stupid thing off. Oh my god. I'm so excited.
I already know what you're thinking.
What?
The front is not getting done
No,
for
the
a long
front
time.
needs to come down. The front is janky. And look at how much cuter my house looks with that stupid thing off. It looks like a cute house now.
It's better.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. Front needs to come down. Crunch the numbers.
Crunch them all right.
Go crunch the numbers. Crunch the numbers and make it work. Oh, that looks so good. I think it's deck removal time. They got the whole pergola down and the patio over there taken out and removed in less than an hour. It's not even 8:45. That would have taken Jason and I 2 weeks, maybe, on if we were feeling good. Okay, so while these guys are doing the deck, Tomas is over here scraping out. Oh my god, this is happening so fast. Okay, well, I'm on the roof. I couldn't see everything, and I'm trying to stay out of their way, and I thought, hey, I'll just go up on the roof. That'll be a perfect view. Look at this. This is insane. So you guys can see he's using a laser with that ruler thing right there, and that's telling him how deep to go, how deep to scrape out. It's really interesting. Oh no, he came across pavers. Lots of them, Tomas? Is that bad? Okay, the guys have left for the day. Jason and Shay are on their way home. I can't wait for them to see it. Sadie's actually inside. She was sick. She's got a little cold, and so we kept her home from school today. So she and I have been watching it all day, but let me show you. Okay, this is the first time I've let Monty outside all day. I took him out on the leash and we went in the front yard, but this is the first time. What is it, bud? What is it? I know, it's crazy, huh? Okay, ready? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I do have to say, the first thing that I noticed, I was in my bedroom, in the bathroom, in our living room, and in our kitchen area, and I immediately noticed how much more natural light there is. It's incredible. It's like a whole new house, like a completely new house. I am obsessed with it. The pergola going away was the best thing ever. The deck is gone. They even started flattening it all out. They said this is no, they did it deeper now. When I was out here before, they said that was the level of what the concrete was going to be. So it's going to be a couple inches taller than this. So this is definitely smaller, but I am totally cool with that because this whole area is going to be concrete. You can kind of see where they've marked it out a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. So the good news is that we were worried about the stucco on the side of the house underneath the deck, and the stucco is good. I mean, it needs some patching and stuff like that, but Kyle was here checking everything out, and he looked at it and he said, okay, we just got to power wash it, patch it a little bit, which they have to do anyway for holes and stuff like that, and then we're good to go. And they got to finish taking off this board up here, and then they're going to patch it, but it's really not a big deal, which is just fantastic. Scary thing is this big wire right here. This wire came out and they were super confused as to why we have this massive wire sticking out of our house. And then they went over here to the fuse box and they were looking at the fuse box, and there's a fuse labeled spa. And we figured out that there must have been a spa here at some point, and that's where the big power cord went to it. And the crazy thing is the fuse switch to the spa was turned on, but I mean, it wasn't live. They checked it and made sure, and so everything's fine, but still kind of scary, like kind of, you know, when you buy a new house, when you buy an old house, it's kind of iffy and you don't really know what you're going to run into. So that was a little creepy. And then there was these big concrete footers everywhere. There was a bunch of these for, obviously, I'm assuming, when there was a big deck here. At one point there was a big deck all the way out to basically where that maple tree is, and then for some reason they took that down and then left the old deck, the one that we just took down today, and now there's nothing, which is very, very exciting, and I just love it. I just love it so much. Oh, I'm so happy. You can see all the extra soil that we have everywhere. We're gonna move it around. Some of it's gonna go in this planting area. Some of it's gonna go along the fence. So I want more here, kind of in this area, kind of like in a C shape around this area, but you can see they left their earth mover here. So, it's just really, really exciting. I'm just so happy. What a crazy but fun day. And then you can see here, these were the pavers. We have actually run into a couple of these pavers before, and I didn't know how far out they went. They didn't go too far. They went probably to where the power cord was. I'm assuming it was the patio where there was another deck over here. And then for some reason, instead of pulling the pavers, they just covered them up. They. I have no idea who they is, but you guys know what I'm talking about when I say they. Previous owners of this house, and I'm sure that there was plenty of previous owners. Look at how amazing this looks. Then here's our debris pile. Well, they've already taken a huge load to the landfill, I'm assuming. I don't know where they took it, but look at all this concrete. Look at it all. This is all concrete. This is all concrete and pavers that was under my back deck area. This is insane. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. You excited? You excited?
How's it look?
It looks so good.
That's so cool.
Wow.
Oh, I like that so much better.
Doesn't that look so good?
Yeah.
That looks so good.
That looks a lot better.
That looks so much better.
That looks good. Hi, Sid.
Doesn't the house look cute?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's drainage.
That's drainage?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where the drainage goes. They were
right there.
wondering because they're gonna tap. They said they need to put in more drainage,
Oh.
so they're gonna tap into it.
Yeah, great.
What do you think?
It's great. It's awesome.
I mean,
It's like
isn't it?
progress?
Isn't it incredible? Isn't this
Wow.
cool? You got to go look from inside.
Okay.
Inside is amazing. What do you think about the deck? It's small now, huh?
Crazy. Because, like, the deck used to, like, come out to here, right?
Yeah,
So stairs are gonna go where?
all the way across.
Oh, the whole length.
Yeah, the whole thing is gonna be stairs.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
so cool.
The whole thing's gonna be stairs, and then all we're gonna have in here is couch.
Okay.
Like that's all it's gonna be. It's just a couch.
No table?
No table. The table is gonna go over here. This is where we're gonna eat.
Right.
And then your barbecue is gonna go over on this side. I was sitting in the room watching them like do stuff, sitting on the bed, and to have a window box with flowers,
Would be nice.
and then you just look straight out. You don't look at wood. You don't look at a post.
Yeah.
You don't look at the like. You just look out at the tree.
Right.
That's what you see from the bed now.
That's nice.
It's amazing.
I
It's
can't wait to go inside.
go inside. Go inside and say hi to Sadie. Yeah. Isn't it amazing?
It's so light in
It's so much lighter.
Not
It's so
different, huh?
pretty.
It's so much better. As they were bringing it down, I like kept going inside, and immediately I was like, "Oh my gosh, this is what we needed." Which is why I want to do the front.
This is so,
So-
pretty.
All right. So like I said, tomorrow is going to be framing. I'll keep you guys updated with all of that. And then what is today? Today's Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday.
So you guys are going to see this on Thursday. So that'll be good. That'll give a break over the weekend. I don't know. Like I am just taking this day by day, trying to film a video showing you guys of what's going on.
Oh, that's kind of fun though, right?
Yeah, and Tomas and Kyle are being so sweet, and they're like, "Oh, okay, we're gonna do this tomorrow for your video."
Oh,
they're
cool.
like totally working with us and like
great.
making it really interesting, which is fabulous.
Cool.
Yeah,
That's
so
fun.
all
This
good
is-
news.
This is neat. It's cool to see all this done in one day. It's pretty amazing.
I know, I love it. I'm so happy. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.